I'm 2 days into college and I'm 3 lectures behind. There's this guy, let's name him Colin. He said he wants to be mine, but he doesn't want to be mine. So we're gonna get straight to the fucking trade recap. Took 3 L's today. I'm not gonna lie to you, 3 fucking L's. I tried a long, but nah, the market was like, fuck no, bitch, we're going short. But I'm gonna give you guys the reason why I was bullish. So basically on the daily time chart, drop down to the daily time chart. As you can tell, let's see, we were here, right? So I marked out my highs and my lows, my previous day's highs and previous day's lows, right? So we were here, and I was like, okay, look, we were here, right? I was like, hey, look, we swept out yesterday's previous low, and I wanted to see price go higher to this daily fair value gap, right? Because we generated buy side liquidity up here, and I was like, okay, I want to see price come up to this high. So at the time we had bullish SMT. This is my first trade in the morning. We had bullish SMT, and we had SMT, and I was like, okay, look, we got to change the state of delivery. We're bullish. I want to see that high, right? So ended up entering off the change of state of delivery. Got filled down here, and we were up for a little bit, and then we ended up hitting this rejection block right here. My first target was this rejection block. I lied. My first target was this rejection block, and we never came back. We never tapped it, right? And we just completely dumped. I guess we had this order block that we tapped and just dumped, but I was still bullish, right? I was still bullish overall, and I was okay. Look, oh, we got stopped out on the first trade, by the way. Stopped on the first trade, and I was like, okay, whatever. I'm gonna wait. We had news today. I waited for that. After that, I waited for news, and then after that, I was like, okay, look, we're at equilibrium. We're at equilibrium. We're in this, and then we tap equilibrium. We're in this inverse fair value gap. We're in this inverse fair value gap, and we're also in this gap right here. So I was like, okay, this looks great. So I tried longing again, right? Tried longing again, right here. I was like, okay, look, price came back up. We had SMT somewhere here, and we got to change the state of delivery. And I was like, okay, change the state of delivery. I'm gonna go ahead and enter. Boom, enter. Stops at this low. Stopped out. Next, same thing over here. I was like, okay, look, there's no way we just keep dumping, right? I mean, we're overall bullish, and yeah. So after that, price came down. We stepped at this low. We came down, tapped this new day opening gap here. We stepped at this low. We had SMT at the time. So then I was like, okay, look, this looks great. We had this bullish gap. We inverted this bullish gap, and then as soon as we did that, we completely went back up, and this is now your BPR. Your BPR, and also we were also in this rejection block here too, right? So we had confluences, right? And we had SMT, etc., all this good stuff. So then drop down to the 1 minute. Let me get rid of this real quick. And so I was like, okay, look, we have a BPR here. We broke above this breaker barely. Maybe I could have waited for displacement potentially. I probably could have waited for displacement. We broke above this breaker. Boom, breaker. Broke above, and I was like, okay, I'm entering. Stops was a candle closure below this BPR here. Got a candle closure below, and I exited. But other than that, guys, those are the trades that we took today. Like I said, I feel like they had pretty good confluences overall. Maybe tomorrow we could be more bullish than bearish. I don't know where market wants to go right now. Maybe potentially this low down here. But the reason why I was even bullish was because we've already swept out this low right here. Swept out this low. We never tapped this gap here. And weekly, we're also in this weekly fair value gap here. But yeah, other than that, guys, yeah, those are the trades we took today. On the TikTok, YouTube, etc., all this good stuff. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow.